Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to. Today we will deal with the. Yesterday we did with the straighted muscles. That was the voluntary muscles. Today we will go with the smooth muscles, and it is also known as non-straighted or involuntary muscles. Those muscles which are not in our command, those which are not in our action, are the examples of smooth muscles. For example, we can say that iris, pupil, alimentary canal, digestive system, mucous glands all belongs to the involuntary muscles. Let's see what's the diagram and what is its structure. Parallel lines are lying around the nucleus. This I am showing the individual ones. Same we have to make in the patches or the pattern. Now, what is this? Nucleus, sarcoplasm, sarcoplasma membrane, and the linings. These linings are known as myofibril. This is the individual structure, a single muscle fiber. A single muscle fiber. But when we grow these in a sheet, these will have a very big thick muscular structures. I am drawing here. These all will be lying in a sheath. Like this. And the sarcoplasmic membranes will be making them circulated all around. Now nucleus will be lying all around. This is in a sheet. So these all are lying in a sheet. So figure will be a sheet of muscle fibers. Getting drawn for 2 minutes. This is only the rough sketch where I will give you in the PDF and PPTs. Get it drawn. This all needs the licensing of what this is. Smooth muscles are also named involuntary because they do not have striations. They are known as non-striated muscles. They are also known as plain muscles or non-skeletal muscles because these are having only the muscular structure, not with the ligaments or the filaments they are attached with. They are nowhere associated with the bones. They are only the muscular structures. They form contractile part of the wall, hollow visceral organs known as visceral muscles in our mucous glands. Smooth muscles are organized into seats of digestive tract, urinary and genital duct. They form bundles in the dermis and the bands of ciliary body and iris of the eye. Smooth muscles also form a sphincter around the aperture. Now what about the structure? Structure of straightened muscle. So smooth muscle cells are elongated and spindle shaped, having the spindle shaped boat shaped structure they are having. Each muscle is about 0.2 to 0.5 micrometer millimeter in length and 6 mu in thickness. Thickness will be 6 mu. 0.6 millimeter. Not 0.6, 6 millimeter. The nucleus is single, long and oval shaped, located in the widest part of the cell. In the sarcoplasm, myofibrils are lie parallel to the long axis. The myofibrils are highly contractile and formed of irregularly arranged actin and myosin filaments. So these are the structures which are showing the myofibril structures all around in a sheet. But when we will go for the individual, it is having the nucleus, sarcoplasm are lying there, myofibril cells are there. This is the outer lining called sarcoplasma membrane, and the measurement is 0.2 to 0.5 millimeter, whereas the thickness is 6 millimeter. Types of smooth muscle: single unit smooth muscle, multi-unit smooth muscle. It is divided into two parts, single unit and multi-unit. Single unit type of muscles are all those seat contractile simultaneously as a unit. लगातार वो पंपिंग करते रहते हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्टाइल और एक्सट्रैक्ट करते रहते हैं, वो सारे किस में आएंगे? सिंगल यूनिट ऑफ मसल्स में आएंगे. दे आकर इन द वॉल्स ऑफ हॉलो ऑर्गन्स लाइक गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टाइनल. इसका एग्जांपल हो जाएगा गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टाइनल, sphincter muscles and the iris of eye. A multi-unit. In these muscles, the fibers contract more or less independently and separate units. सबका अपना अपना separate functions होगा, separate features होगा. They will work separately. As in the wall of esophagus, peristaltic movement is the example of multi-unit, and the intestine in the dermis of skin. Now, what are the functions? Functions of non-innervative muscles are, can I rub it, children? Let's come to the function. Functions of smooth muscles. Firstly, the function is they bring about opening and closing of apertures. So they are liable for opening and closing of apertures, means the holes, in the form of sphincters. They make the cavities of blood vessels and tubes narrow. Make cavities of blood vessels and tubes narrow. They propel of food along digestive, makes propelling of food by peristaltic movement. That is the esophageal phase. In gut wall they generate electric impulses. In gut wall it generates electric impulses. Causing slow and steady contraction of the tissues. So these are the features, main functions of the non-striated muscles, and the innervations we will get it written for a chance. Smooth muscles are inverted and are fiber sympathetic, parasympathetic. Contractions of muscles may be initiated by nervous stimulus, as in the walls of many blood vessels. In gut wall they generate electrically impulses for the slow and steady contraction of the tissues. This is the innervation of the smooth muscles. So till today we will go for non-striated muscles. Tomorrow we will begin with the cardiac muscles. Students, get it noted in the fair copy. Thank you.